Welcome to Financial Dream PH.
Hello guys, so here's another episode and would like to share with you the time that we had a good coffee here in Ternate. So the name of the place is Sea View. So there are a lot of bikers out here. As you can see, they're running very fast on the road. So here's the place. Just need to cross. Yan. So masarap dito yung ano nila. Chocolate di Baterol. Ang ganda ng view. So let's go inside guys. As you can see, the place is really very relaxing. Wow, merong couple dun. Yan. So kita nyo ang daming sagingan. And kitang kita dito yung napakagandang kalangitan at mga ulap. So, nag-order tayo dito ng Chocolate di Baterol. So, yun yung ano nila, specialty. Nakaka-relax talaga dito. Sarap ng hangin. Tsaka malamig siya. Dahil parting bundok. So, here's our order. Meron pa siyang kasamang Lotus Biscoff na napakasarap ihalo sa Chocolate di Baterol. Yan, mausok-usok pa. Sarap. Kape muna tayo guys. So nagtry kami naghanap ng ibang venue na kung saan meron mas mataas na view. So ito nakita namin yung Korean and native cuisines. So napakaganda ng spot dahil meron siyang veranda tapos kita mo yung overlooking view. Yan. And sarap ng paghigop natin ng ano dyan, Chocolate Baterol. Kita niyo yung zoom out view ng venue. So napakaganda nung yung kalangitan. Nakita niyo parang isang napakalaking painting siya. Ayan. And mga past 5 na rin to, I think going 6. So nagutom na rin kami and dito na rin kami nag-dinner. So napakasarap nung sisig nila dito guys. Talagang pure sisig siya. Hindi siya nahaluan ng madaming chicharon. So talagang ano siya, malaman. Yun. So it's time to update our FDPH app. So as usual, just go to our milestones and click on 2024. So yun, na-complete na natin yung page 1 dito. So every page meron tayong 5 goals or milestones or events in our life. Yan. So ngayon ay papunta na tayo sa page 2. So click nyo lang yung P2. Yan. So meron na tayong isang goal dito. Yung goal number 6, which is yung pag-swimming dun sa Paniman Beach. Kung napanood nyo yung previous video natin. And mag-add tayo ng isa. So ito yung most recent experience natin na kung saan na-enjoy natin yung napakagandang view dito sa Ternate. Okay, yan. So, update na natin yung caption. Click lang natin save caption and yung month na na-achieve, which is still March 2024. Then it's time to upload yung 3 most relevant photos sa experience natin. Okay, so ito yung napili natin mga photos. So click nyo lang each space dyan. Okay, so ito yung 3 photos para mababalikan natin in the future. Okay, so you'd like to recollect kung ano nangyari noong 2024 and then click nyo lang yung tick box para mag-green siya. Okay, so far we have 7 events na na-accomplish by 2024 as of March. And malapit na mag-April. So ayun, naka-embed na siya sa ating FDPH account. Then back to our main dashboard guys. So ang life progress natin is currently at 58% and meron na lang tayong 9,125 days before tayo maging 60 years old. And we have already consumed around 12,775 days of life. So this would remind us na life is short and we must enjoy every moment. Okay? Again, thank you guys for watching this video and see you again on our next uploads. Till next time. If you want to open your own FTPH account, so just visit us on our Facebook page, search for Financial Dream PH. You may like and subscribe and send us a message so we may guide you on the registration process, or if you have questions, feel free to ask. That's it for now. Till next time.